Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a giant stuffed chocolate chip cookie. So what we're going to be stuffing it with, it's a secret, so in order to find out, you gotta stick around. So without further ado, let's get into it. Started by making our cookie dough, so we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs and our butter. And remember guys, all the exact amounts and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Add in your vanilla and give it a quick mix. Start adding in all our dry ingredients. So we'll be adding in the almond flour, the coconut flour, the sweetener of choice, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now guys, I use Swerve Brown for my sweetener. You guys can use whatever sweetener. You don't have to use this. Use what you like. Alright, let's give it another quick mix. Once this is formed the cookie dough, we're going to add in our chocolate chips and we're going to mix those in as well. Alright guys, now that we have all our ingredients mixed together, your cookie dough should look something like this. Now since we're making 2 layers, we're going to put down our first layer, so make sure you don't use all the cookie dough on the bottom layer. Just kind of divide it out so you can make 2 layers. So what I did is I used a 6-inch springform pan. I greased the bottom of it. Now you don't have to use a springform pan, any pan will do, but this makes it easier to get the cookie out when it's done. So that's really the main purpose of me using a springform pan. But if you don't have it, you can use what you got. Alright guys, this was the secret ingredient I was telling you about. It's the Chalk Zero hazelnut spread. Guys, this is like the keto version of Nutella pretty much. It's low on carb, it's perfect for keto, and it actually adds a great twist to this chocolate chip cookie. You can add as much as you like in the middle. It just gives it a more gooey texture to the cookie. So yeah, guys, have fun with this. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get our middle layer in. Once we have our middle layer in, we're going to top the top with the rest of the cookie dough. And once we've done that, we're going to bake this in the oven for around 350 for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. I would be keeping an eye out on it around the 15-minute mark, and just keep checking on it. When it starts to brown, crisp up, you can go ahead and pull it. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, here's the perfect time to do it. Guys, I got a slew of crazy keto, low carb ideas that'll be coming your way, and the only way you'll be able to know when I have them out, if you subscribed, if you hit the notification button. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like the content I've been bringing to you guys. Also guys, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about this cookie. I would like to know what your thoughts are. Alright, cookie's put together and it's ready to go in the oven. And when it was done baking, this is what it looked like. Thanks for watching. You guys already know the motto here. We making keto easy by making everything keto. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a like if you like the recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.